Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the model in Perplexity AI. This is a great feature if you want to switch between different AI models depending on your needs, whether you're looking for faster responses or more advanced capabilities. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to perplexity.ai. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your login information to access your account. This step is essential to ensure you have access to all the features available within Perplexity AI. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the main interface. Here you'll see the chat input box prominently displayed in the center of the page. This is where you typically enter your queries and interact with the AI. Now, look closely at the chat input box area. You should notice a button or option labeled Model. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can view the different AI models available for use. Now, here's an important point to keep in mind. In order to actually change the model, you must first upgrade to Perplexity Pro. The ability to switch between different models isn't available on the free version of Perplexity AI. By upgrading to Pro, you unlock access to more advanced models and additional features that can significantly enhance your experience. This upgrade gives you the flexibility to choose the model that best suits the type of task you're working on, and there you have it. While the free version of Perplexity AI is quite capable, upgrading to Pro opens up the ability to change models and tailor your AI interactions more precisely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.